The first weekend in June 2025 witnessed a first-of-its-kind event at Wentworth Woodhouse. Our magnificent stables and part of the beautiful west front lawns were given over to around 70 specialists and participants on a working party, organised by the Society for the Protection of Ancient Buildings.
This is a special weekend for the Trust because we're working with the Society for the Protection of Ancient Buildings, who are one of the first heritage conservation trusts in the country, and we are working on preservation of the buildings this weekend, doing things such as line pointing on some of the walls. We're doing some of the brickwork. We're going to do some brickwork consolidation, block inserts. We're going to be working on some sash windows, and we're also going to do some archaeology, digging up parts of the ice house to see how the ice house buried over the years with vegetation, and see if we can find some of the original structures under the vegetation.
The Society for the Protection of Ancient Buildings was founded in 1877 by William Morris in response to the work of Victorian architects whose enthusiasm for harmful restoration caused irreparable damage. Today, the SPAB encourages excellence in new design to enrich and complement the built historic environment and provide a positive, practical approach to building conservation.
We've been around for nearly 150 years now. We're a national building conservation charity working in all parts of the UK and the Republic of Ireland. So one of the very distinct things about the SPAB is its focus on the practical. We think about conservation, but we like doing it too, and that's the essence of our working parties. So we bring participants together on site, not just to talk about the work, but to get involved in it at a practical level as well. Wentworth Woodhouse offers some amazing opportunities for the SPAB. It's the scale of the place, the range of materials, the conservation needs of the place, all which really resonate with us. So we're absolutely thrilled and delighted to be here to make a small contribution to the wonderful work that's going on.
The activities of the working party were concentrated on areas at Wentworth Woodhouse that are rarely visited by members of the public. These included an area known as Fives Court, just behind the North Pavilion. This part of Wentworth Woodhouse was very much the domain of the servants who lived and worked in this part of the building. The area includes a beautiful game larder with a very distinctive octagonal form. The brickwork and the roofing of this structure is in a very poor state of repair. Fives Court is also the site of a building that was used as a slaughterhouse. More recently, this part of Wentworth Woodhouse has been used as a film set by Netflix for two productions, The Irregulars and Bodies. In both productions, the slaughterhouse featured as a pub. After the film crews departed, they left as the interior set for the pub, and this was put to very good use by the working party during their stay. They even gave it a name, the Slaughtered Lamb, which to those in the know is a nod to the film An American Werewolf in London. Other areas allocated to the working party included the rear wall of our newly regenerated rose garden. Whilst the brick wall that faces into the rose garden has been conserved and repaired, the rear section, which is made of sandstone, has suffered badly from the effects of water erosion and invasive vegetation. We were also working on the west front elevation, the boundary wall between the gardens and Fives Court, and in our workshops doing repairs on sash windows. In the gardens, we undertook some investigative archaeology on the ice house, another rarely seen feature at Wentworth Woodhouse. These are just a few of the areas at Wentworth Woodhouse that are in urgent need of conservation and repair, as lime mixing specialist Lee Gillard observed.
It's the first time I've visited Wentworth, and my first impressions of this building were it's a grand building, but it was hard for me to appreciate it because when I was looking round, there's so many repairs that actually need doing and so many repairs that have been done wrong, that it's hard for me to look at it like it's beautiful when I'm looking at it like, oh, that needs repairing, this needs repairing, that needs repairing. So I think it's important that people understand the right repairs need doing and the right people need to do those repairs so they don't then need to be done again.
It's a very astute observation. Like many heritage sites, Wentworth Woodhouse is not only suffering from the effects of decades of decay and neglect, previous repairs haven't been carried out in the optimal way and need to be done again, adding to an already daunting to-do list. This, combined with the shortage of heritage skills in the labour force, makes the work of the SPAB even more important. And a site such as Wentworth Woodhouse offers enormous scope to allow people to learn these skills from experienced professionals. The working parties are also great opportunities for networking and socialising. Join us next time, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to hear more about the work that was undertaken from the specialists and participants who joined us for a working weekend to remember.